पेन, ईयरबड्स। आज हम कुछ ऐसी चीजों को अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं शायद से बाकी बैचेस ने नहीं करी। दिस इज विजनरीज एट 7 o'clock। गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम कुछ चीजों को अनबॉक्स करेंगे और लेट्स सी हाउ दे गोना डू इट।
Oh, what a wonderful packing it has got. Well, hi everybody. Today I am going to unbox this box. Are you guys excited to see this packaging? Yes. So let's open this. But I don't have good knife. Let's open this. Oh, so the guys, I have ordered something from the Amazon, the world's biggest e-commerce company of our India. So guys, are you thinking what? Can you guess something that what can be in this box? No, I don't have this much today. Can you guys guess? Huh? Television? Yeah, of course, of course. Portable television. No. So, okay, guys. So I even don't know what is there in this box. Let's open with you all. Huh? I think Amazon wants to prank with me. Oh. Oh, wow. Let's see. So guys, this is a kind of a watch from Firebolt. This is a smartwatch and there is one kind of note in this. Let's read this note. You have, just imagine guys, you have got $86,400 in your bank account. If you lose $60 from that bank account, you will regret a lot. But at the same point of time, on the other hand, if you lose 60 seconds of your life, of your one day, you don't regret this much. When you waste 60 seconds in your reels, you don't regret. So I just want to say guys, you think the time is more important than the money, but by that time you can earn that particular money. So guys, I think Amazon wants to suggest all of us the importance of this watch. This is not a kind of a tool. This itself is a storyteller that tells us the discipline, that tells us the mindfulness, that tells us the importance of it. That itself tells us the discipline. Whenever, just try to imagine, if you have to watch the time, you see on mobile phone, but you get distracted very easily. And the second thing that is written in this note, every second counts how you spend it. The same thing it is related with the first quote, that is every second whenever you spend somewhere, it is being counted. Someone is there who does better than you at that particular time, and you are there, you waste that particular second. As I mentioned you in the beginning, that $86,400. But time is itself a currency. If you are going to use it wisely, so you can be the best person of yourself. Apart from this all guys, let's talk about the feature of this watch. For that I have ordered this. Let me check the features, some of the feature. This one feature is I can see on this in this watch, that is it shows time every time. Like every time it shows the time, and there are a lot of features are available. You can add your own wallpaper in this watch, and there are a lot of features as like sleep mode, calculator, games are also available. After seeing this particular watch, this watch is under 1500 of Firebolt. After watching this watch and feature of this watch, I think you should buy it. I prefer this watch is the best watch under 1500. So guys, in the last I just want to say, time is a precious thing. Use it, waste it wisely to become the best person in the world. Thank you guys.
my name is Nikita. And hello, sir. My name is Nikita.
Okay.
And today I am here for your order. Here,
Thank
this
you
is
so
order.
much.
Receive
And
this.
yeah, your money, I got it. Take this.
Thank you.
Welcome. So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. And as we knew that last time in last video we ordered random things which were said by our subscribers. But at last in that video there was a subscriber who mentioned something to order, but I said that this is a mystery for you guys, and if you will subscribe my channel, so in next part of this video I will show that thing. And yep, this is the time when I'm gonna show you that thing. So why to take a lot of time? Let's begin, guys. So this box is very small, but let's open this. Packaging is good. This is said by our subscriber to bring. So let's show to our community that what is this thing. So yes. So this is a pen, guys. Let me see that what kind of pen is this. So let's open this. Okay, so this looks very good. Let me open this, guys. This is really looking very nice. I think that you are even excited for watching this thing. So this is that thing, guys. We will even assemble this now, and we are ready to go now. So this was said by our subscriber to order, and I guess this is even looking very good. You can even make your friend jealous from this, and you can even do your work properly. So where is the pen, guys? I think that I'm scammed right now. Okay, so it's here. So this pen is even looking good. So let's check the quality of this pen. It's a gel pen, guys, and you know gel pen is good pen. Is there something special in this? It can be unassembled, it can be even assembled. So what's a special more? There is a button. Let's see that what will happen from this button, guys. Oh, this is producing light. This is nice, guys. Our subscriber was nice. He gave us something which is really nice. So I think so that this is something which can even make us from bored to a happy one, and even it can make us do our work very easily. So I think that this is helpful for you, and if you even want this, so do let me know, and I will tell you this when in next part that how to order this and which is the website of this. Thank you so much. So do subscribe, like, share and comment for this. Yes.
Hi everyone. I got this gift from my subscriber when I reached 10 million, and let's begin to check this what it is in. Its packing is so good and this is so beautiful. It's take a time. It's looking like a mirror. Magic photo frame. So it's like a mirror. You can see your faces. And wow. You can open it and frame your photos here. It's so beautiful. Anavaya? Oh, wow. I'm so grateful to receive this from my subscriber, and thank you so much.
This is too much. Tomorrow is my exam and I haven't made note. I want somebody who can help me. So this is my book and I am feeling so lazy to make some note. And I want some attractive note, but there is no one. Please God, help me. Give me something from which I can make some notes. Ooh, this box. I think God has listened to me. Now I'm going to open this. I don't want to remove tape. I want to tear it. Oh, box. Let's see what is in it. I think God is really exists. He has listened me. I called. So let's check. Oh, Camlin marker. No, it's highlighter from which I can make some attractive notes. Let me check the highlighter first. Wow, this is looking so attractive. Can you see this word? They were unaware. We feel so much lazy when we have a lot of stuff. But if a stuff is containing a different thing, so we will look it. So what I believe that before reading your book, you should use the Camlin highlighter, which is going to show the attractiveness of the book, from which you can highlight the main point of book and you can pass your exam with good mark and you can get the knowledge. So my review about this marker is very good, and you can choose a different color, a different size of the marker, highlighter. Why I'm saying marker? It's a highlighter. Okay, guys, I will do better in my exam tomorrow. So thank you.
Hi my YouTube family, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's I am going to unbox a a box. Basically this is an Instagram page who sells beautiful jewelry. Basically the outer package of this box has already been destroyed by my dog, so because he gets more excited more than me. And I have got these beautiful earrings. Look, I have actually many. There are so many. See. Oh, as a complimentary, I got bracelet too. So excited. And let's take a closer view of this. Basically, these all earrings can go with any outfits, and like you can wear in day, at night, anytime. And along with this jewelry, I must say, basically this box has it has crosswords, so you can also play crosswords when you get free time. So quite impressive. And there is one last. So it can go with any Western outfits as well. I hope you liked it too, because I liked it too. And if you, in case you want these earrings, I'll comment links in the description box. And yes, let's end this video here only, and thank you.
Hello, my people. When I went to market yesterday, a girl came and she gifted me this. So let's open together. Oh wow. Like literally, this is looking so cute. Okay, so let's open first. Okay, so now I have got two necklaces. First in gold and second is silver. Like look at this. Yeah, a very little cute heart is here, and I can say whenever we wear anything, so it enhances our personality. And let's open second one. Nice. This is also a beautiful heart. But as being a YouTuber, I want to say these are not necklaces or chains for me, because when I opened my YouTube channel, I was thinking about silver play button and gold play button. I don't know when I will take or achieve that, but I can see my future in it. So that's it, and thank you.
इस वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बोला पेंडेंट, पेन, ईयरबड्स और प्लांट। मतलब पेंडेंट, पेन और ईयरबड्स तो सर अनबॉक्स हो गए, सर प्लांट कहाँ है? सर प्लांट के लिए हमने एक स्पेशल वीडियो प्लान करी है और दैट विल बी अपलोडेड इंडिविजुअली। मतलब वो परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ी सी खास है। उस खास परफॉर्मेंस को परफॉर्म करने का जो पूरा क्रेडिट जाता है वो जाता है हमारे स्टूडेंट को, जिसका नाम है अमृत सिंह। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड या दिस वीडियोज वर amazing, superb, and if you want to watch such videos, then don't forget to subscribe Bari English Academy and Abhay with Bari. Thank you so much.